I led a Bible study once and I talked about the parable of the persistent widow. To summarize the parable, the widow was persistent towards the corrupted judge for justice. Eventually, the judge gave her justice so she would leave him. The biblical application is God, who is perfect, unlike the judge, gives what we pray for. However, God does not instantly answer our prayers to test our faith. These are examples from the Bible when characters showed extreme faith by waiting. Abraham was 100 while Sarah was 90 when Isaac was born. The bleeding woman waited for 12 years to be healed. The Samaritan woman showed persistent faith to Jesus to heal her daughter. Bartimaeus, the blind man, kept shouting for Jesus despite the crowd's reprimandation. Zechariah and Elizabeth were old when John the Baptist was born. The disabled man waited for 38 years to be healed. A caveat of the parable of the persistent widow is God does not answer our prayers because it is not His plan for us. In the context of marriage, Jesus said on Matthew 19:11-12 that it is not for everyone. Paul repeated this statement on 1 Corinthians 7:7-8. The final consideration of the parable of the persistent widow is God does not answer prayers because the motives are wrong. The conclusion is we need to be faithful for prayers work, but our motives should align with God's will. He answers us in 3 ways: yes, later, or no, I have a better plan for you. Regardless of God's answer, we must maintain our faith in Him.